welcome back to another video with Sharon, your host. Happy Saturdays when I'm recording this video. I'm not sure when you're watching this video. I actually have been sitting here for about 20 minutes talking to you. I gave you a whole spiel, okay? And I look up and nothing was recording. Not one word, not one story time, not one word of encouragement, nothing. I've been doggone if I start all over from the beginning. I can't even remember half of what I even said to y'all, okay? It ain't gonna happen, sis. So now I don't even know what this video is even gonna be about. I don't know. But hey y'all, how you doing? You good? Welcome back to Auntie's Woman Cave. I am loving the space. Thank you to everyone who watched the reveal of the room, who loved the wallpaper. Let me just tell you, because I always get the question about my wallpaper. I get my wallpaper from the same place every time, from the penthouse. No, let me go all the way back to the house days. The silver metallic wallpaper, all the way back. I get it from a place that's local to me, and it's called Puff's Glass. They actually cut glass, and they sell, I think they sell paint maybe. And then they have a wallpaper section also. There's no website. It's just local. So if you, I'll link the, well not link, but I'll put the address down in the description of this video in case you're in surrounding areas and you want to drive to it. They have a beautiful selection of ready to purchase. And then they have a ton, I'm talking a ton of books that you could also choose wallpaper and order it, custom order it out of the book. So I'll make sure I leave the address down below in case you're local and you want to drive. But there is no website. And I always get all my wallpaper from there. Always have. I'm talking all the way back to the days of border. Raise your hand if you remember the days of border. Raise your hand if you remember the days of border on top of wallpaper. I'm just saying. I've been going in there since those days. Yeah. So anyway, I'm glad you guys like my little room. It's definitely more grown up. She's definitely good for taking naps. Okay? I'm talking get my whole life in here with this blankie right here. Okay? And these pillows right here were not on in the reveal. These was actually in our bedroom. And I moved them down here because they're too pretty to be up there. And I'm thinking about changing out our comforter and pillows and all that stuff in that room anyway. So I think these look perfect down here. And they're bejeweled in case you've never seen them. And I've had them for, I feel like a while. Another Home Goods find. Gold and creams and some pearls and, yeah, really no bling. Just a really nice girly pattern, and then the same color back with the threading, gold threading, so you can swap them around if you want to do a less busy side. So anyway, yeah. Okay, y'all, so listen. I can tell you this because I swear I don't remember everything I just sat here and spilled my heart out to you about. But the fish. Let's talk about the fish. Do I have any clips to I think I might have some clips of the most traumatic event. You can call me Nurse Sharon, Fish Lady, Beta Mom, any of that. Let me insert the clip right now. Okay, y'all. On today's episode of Fish Chronicles, we had a situation happen in the tank. So what happened was we had an ammonia spike in the tank. And these two betas went into full-on distress. This one was literally dead, almost, like literally almost dead. And so I told you in, I don't know if it was the last video or this same video, but I saved these beta cups with the water that the store was selling them in. And I snatched this one out first. I put her in here and I did straw to mouth resuscitation. Literally. stuck a straw down into this hole right here. And I blew air into this cup for her to breathe, start breathing. And she struggled, like falling to the side, swimming upside down, like literally just done for. Now she's a little bit more stimulated. And as you can see, she's kind of breathing at the top on her own a little bit. She's not quite all the way back yet. So I don't know if she's going to make it. This one here was doing the exact same thing. Oh, she was doing the same thing. What the hell? As well. So I put her in here. Which way do I go, honey? And just stimulated her. Now she's up at the top. Seeming to be doing a little bit better. Okay, I can't really tell with her. She just, I feel like just not gonna make it. But she definitely was trying. As you can see, like she'll keep going up and getting the little air bubbles. And she's breathing, but anyway, we did a 60-40 water change, meaning Ron took 40% of the top of the water off, and then we added tap water back to it, and then treated it with 2 different treatments. What were the treatments you used? Just like one to clean the tap water, right?
Yeah, stress coat, API stress coat.
Uh-huh.
And the other one was the API quick start.
Okay. And so we're got all the chemicals over there where we just testing the water now to see like what's gonna happen. And so far these were the only 2 that, well, actually we lost one earlier today when it first spiked. What fish was that? Like one of my betas?
Yeah, it was a beta.
One of my smaller betas this morning. It was just way too late. So I don't know about these 2, but I definitely did straw to mouth resuscitation, honey. See, she's trying. Like, she wasn't doing any of this. I'm talking no movement, upside down, done for. And I know they sell actual beta water in a container that you can purchase just specifically for betas. So I'm glad that I did save this water so that I can get them out of that ammonia at least to give them a fighting chance. So I'm going to leave them in these cups for however long if they make it, and then release them back into the other water. Hopefully by that time that water will be back right. The other fish, let me show you. They all seem to be doing pretty good since the water change. Get out of here. Everybody seems to be okay, but you just really never can tell until something actually happens. There's Sharon. Sharon looking crazy as ever. So these little guys, they all alright. And Hood boy, as you can see. She's doing fine.
Duchess.
And yeah, and that's the Duchess right there. One of my other betas. Small one, but feisty. She feisty. Mm-hmm. She about got sucked up in the in the suction thing when Ron was stifling the water out. She went up in the tube. He had to block the air to let her back out. She feisty. So everybody else. There's Ron. Over here looking crazy. Let's see if I can put you right here so you can get some action. You are literally underwater. It's like y'all are in the tank with them. No. Get back up there. Let me refocus. This. Okay. There we go. That's why the cleaning fish. Steady cleaning. You can see my glow beta over there. She's doing fine. Yeah, we just had those two betas that were going up to the upper room. But Nurse Sharon kicked in, turned that table into a trauma center, honey. And I don't know, we might have saved them. We don't know. But this is a part of it. This is part of, you know, being a fish tank. Not fish tank. Being a fish collector. This hobby is you're going to lose some fish, and it's going to always be trial and error with the tanks. To play around with this hobby until we get it right. That's my newest female fish, beta. She's equally as big as the blue male beta ant. She seems to be doing just fine. There's a couple more betas down there. Hey girl, hey. You like being on camera? Okay, so as you saw, update on that. They all died. All three of them died. And I ended up flushing them down the toilet this morning. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. Three of my favorite fish, I would say. But it's okay. It's all part of it. You know what I mean? So today's Saturday. What are my plans? I'm in my PJs. I plan on staying in my PJs probably for the rest of the day. It's cold outside. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's nice and warm in here. And this heater, for some reason, comes on automatically. It's almost like it knows I'm in the room. And it just comes on and goes off at a certain time, even though the actual house heat is on. So it's a little bit warm in here, but it's okay. It's totally fine. I'm going to watch me some movies. Ron is fixing gourmet hamburgers today. So we'll be eating hamburgers. We'll do some virtual reality. Because two people can play. So we do, what is it? Miniature golf. Never thought I'd love miniature golf, honey. She's getting her Tiger Woods on, okay? And you know we both competitive, so it's like a whole thing. We both have on a headset, and it's a whole situation, okay? So we'll probably do that today. And just relax. Literally just relax. Enjoy the blessing of not having anything to do or really nowhere to be. Yeah. Yeah, I told y'all a few lives ago that this year I need for y'all to commit to a day like today where you do absolutely nothing and don't feel bad about it because you earned that. You earned it. Do absolutely nothing. But enjoy your best nothing life in that day, in that moment. Whatever that is for you. Be it you like to read books, you just want to listen to some good music, you want to fix you some grown-up drinks, you want to just binge watch your most guiltiest pleasure on the tube, all that jazz. I give you permission to indulge in yourself and do nothing. Auntie said it. Okay. Today I went around and I literally took some Clorox disinfectant wipes and I wiped every surface in this house down. If it was touchable, it got wiped down with Clorox to knock down some of the nasty germs that are in here and that could be brought in here and that need to get out of here. Wiped everything down so the house is real nice and clean and it smells like Pine Sol and Fabuloso mix. candles, and I feel like I need to bake something to bring in that sweetness. I actually do have some. Are they no bake? I want to say they're no bake lemon balls. Is that a thing? No bake. Maybe I'm thinking about something else, but I feel like I have some in there. And I do have a slice of lemon cake that I got from the grocery store. I could nibble on that. In addition to these big gourmet burgers that Ron is about to make. So that's my plan for today. I just really wanted to hop on here and tell you guys that I love you. Okay, I didn't have a video actually planned for today. And I was going to go live, but then I thought, I go live, they won't let me leave the live. So, nope. I'm just going to come on, do a video, and call it a day. Unfortunately, like I said, I was on her yapping. Thing wasn't even recording. Let me make sure it's recording now. Jeez. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I have put together, I already have the video. I just need to add a couple more things. But I want to talk about some decorating stuff. Decorating and just kind of give my tips on decorating and things that the interior decorating world say are in or out, and my opinions on that thing, okay? So I have that video that I've pretty much already put together, but I do want to add a couple more things because I've been doing a little bit of research, and so I want to add some stuff to that. And let me know down in the comments if you want that to become like a series here on this channel, because listen, your girl don't mind, okay? How I think when I'm putting stuff together, like what my thought process is, and just all of that. But the video will be coming up. Probably I'll release it on maybe Monday or Tuesday, one of the two, depending on when I sit down and finish the remainder of it, because I'm in lazy mode right now. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day if you're watching this video on Saturday. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Sharon, your host that I always try to do the most. My returning family members, shout out to y'all. I love you to the moon and back. And listen, this couch, honey, she's calling me. That TV is calling me. And I must answer. That burger is calling me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.